who's next?
That's me.
How can I help you, sir?
I'd like to make a deposit.
Okay, for how much?
What you mean?
How much money?
Oh, 200.
Okay, just need $200.
From who?
From you.
Me? I thought this is where I filed my taxes at.
Nigga, this is a bank.
You mean the place that be getting robbed?
No, sir. Negative.
Why?
Not here. See, sir, this is the bank of collateral. We have one of the toughest securities known to mankind. There is a 0, I repeat, a 0% chance of us getting robbed.
Your security trash! Everybody on the ground is for robbery!
Why would you say your first name?
Boom out the way! Those shoes is nuts. I'm gonna need those before I leave. You need a haircut.
I know we gotta walk in.
Alright, you know how this goes. The back! The money! Now!
You said you want to know it now?
Put the money in the bag! Money!
How do you want the money?
Bam! Oh.
Quick question, you trying to get some meat out of here?
We in the middle of robbing the bank.
So where's my bag?
I don't know what question. Hey! Hey!
Hey, get on the ground. You
No.
Look, I've had a long day, so let's make this quick. It's either you leave, or we'll make you leave.
My niggas really gang bang, talk that damn slang. Rap about it, do the same thing, let your nuts hang. We gon' pull up, nigga, on the lake. On side of that, we gon' stop, we don't do the race.